Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about PHP form handling. So let's see what is PHP form handling. A PHP super globals get and post are used to collect the form data. So let's start how can we do that, the PHP form handling over here. Inside the body tag, I will mention the form. Okay. So in that case, you can give the form and you can write the methods and all the details inside that form. For example, right now I'm going to give any name. Inside the input, I will give the type of this name and then name of it. So type I have given as a text and the name I have given as a name. I normally name I want to provide. The second one we are going to provide is that what is the email of this particular code. Okay. So in that case, again, I will provide the input that type equal to email and the name of this is email. Okay. So that's how you provided it. So these the two details I have provided here. In that case, let's see what we can provide this. The next thing I'm going to provide is input type equal to submit. Okay. So in that case, what happened? I will provide that I need to submit this detail. So I will provide it as a submit. And what is the value of this? Is the submit only. Okay. So let's see what we will get here. Now on screen, you can see that I have got the details and whatever the details are available, we can submit that particular detail. And then in case of the form, what happened? I will provide the action. Like in that case, what happened? I will provide any action over there. So in that case, I have written index2.php. Okay. So after that, I will mention one method. So what is the method we need to do? I will first provide the method as a get. So it will get the details. It will help me to get the details. That is why we are going to write the get over there. So it will when the user fill out the above skill, click the submit button and the form data is sent for a processing to a PHP. So that is why it is going to work like that. And once the you have mentioned the sent for the PHP file, that is welcome file. So it will provide me to send the details over there. Okay. So I have created one page and it will going to provide. So now I will create one more page. In that case, for the name of the index2, and in that case, I will write where the details will come. So inside the body, I will mention welcome and the PHP. After that, we have to mention the code, that is echo post we need to require. So dollar get we will mention because last time we mentioned the get, and then get what is the name of that, the name, and then semicolon will be mentioned. After that, the echo break. So it will break into the condition, and then echo dollar get the email. Okay, so that is how you can create it. Okay, so now I will mention one more thing, that is echo name, what is the name, and then echo what is the email. So it will provide us in that way. Okay, so in that case, what all the things you have mentioned, don't forget to write the semicolon. This is one of the important part of this code. So let me refresh this file. After that, I will write any name. For example, Indian, and the email is mentioned is test@gmail.com. Let me submit this. So we have submitted to the second file, that is welcome name is Indian and the email is set at test@mail.com. So that is how you can write it. If you can mention the any index, any email or any page name, so it will send you the data to that particular thing. It will provide you, it will get the data because I have mentioned the get. So whatever the details you will write, you will be able to see that particular details in your page. So that's how you can create the two page, and you can write the name of that two page over there, and you can mention all the details you need to write. So that is how you can create the two types of data that are available in the PHP. So once you'll change the name, and now you can see, you will be able to see that name, and you will be seeing on the local host only that the name is also changed, and what all the email details that are provided on the local host. So that's how you can create it. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to PHP. Thank you so much.